Shaylee Randolph, and I'm going to explain what water is. This is a science experiment that I am doing for science class, so all my fans, please don't think I'm weird. So, water is something that is very healthy for us. We're like 75% water. The rest of us is dirt. We need water to stay hydrated. I did a few drawings. They might look horrible because I did them in the middle of class when we were supposed to. And so, water is a combination between hydrogen and oxygen. 2 hydrogen and 2 oxygen. This is the combination. 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. Together, it makes H2O. This is the thing. A whole bunch of these mixed together will make one entire, like, a whole bunch of these mixed together can make, like, a cup of glass, a glass of water. It could make the ocean, the rivers. So, we will go to the kitchen, and I will, since I'm doing adhesion, I will show you what adhesion is. Adhesion, water is when water molecules attract to other things. When water molecules are attracted to other things. So, I have a sponge in a little bowl of water. Adhesion is when the property of water gives the ability to literally climb the wall of any container. But I'm going to do a sponge and a little bowl of water. So I'm going to stick this sponge in the water, like this. And you see how the water rises into the sponge? That's adhesion. It's because it's like climbing. If I squeeze it, water will come back out. If I flip it over to the dry end, it'll do the exact same thing. So I'm going to put that in there. I'm just going to leave it like that. So next, we will be going to the bathroom. So I'm in the bathroom, and I have my materials. 2 cups, they can be any cups, and a weird cloth thing. We could also get a washcloth, but I don't want to get one of those. So, yeah. So, you're going to put a little bit of water in one of your glasses. About that much. Then you're going to take either your washcloth or some toilet paper. You're going to fold it exactly like this. Then you're going to take your almost full cup of water. You're going to level them out. Like that. Then you fold it. Then you stick it like that. Then it'll suddenly start walking up the container. So we'll wait a little bit. You could fill that one up all the way and just do this. So we'll wait a little bit for the water for some water to go in this cup. Now we will go get a cup of water in the kitchen. So I'm here in the kitchen and I got my cup. All I need to do is fill it up with water. So I'll turn on my faucet and I'll get some water. Now my cup is full of water. You're supposed to drink water because you need water to you need water to survive. So I'm going to get a miniature pot, which are in here. I'm going to grab this one. I'm going to put it on the stove and turn it on. Now I'm going to put the water into the pot, and we will wait. While we're waiting for that to be done, we will drink some water. Water is good for you in many different ways. It helps you stay alive. It helps your brain function. It helps you do a lot of stuff. And yeah. So, water is important. Everyone needs it. Dogs need it. Cats need it. Ferrets need it. People need it. So, everyone needs it. I was going to do universal solvent because I kind of like that, but I decided to do adhesion so I can explain like the water climbing up the wall, like climbing up the side of a tissue. The water climbs up because it's like, how do I say, defying gravity. So the water climbs up so I'm sorry that I'm like stopping because I'm like getting like really confused. Sorry. So water climbs up things. It also takes a while for it to heat up. I have this on high and the water is not doing anything. I bet it is still cold. That is some cold water. So we will turn this off before it causes a fire. It's been on for a little while, but now that I turned it off, look what's coming off. Water vapor. Water vapor is coming off because it got really hot, and hot water can turn into a vapor. It's kind of impressive. Hot water turns into vapor because, like, so, for example, say we're chilling at the beach. I go on the sand. Oh my god, it's hot. I put my stuff down and I run into the water. I run into the water and it's cool. On hot days, the water can get pretty cool. In some places, water can be really hot and you can't control that. Water gets hot because I don't know why water gets hot, but I'm pretty sure it gets hot because because say it's 100 degrees or 100 above 60. So it'd be 160 degrees outside. That'd be hot. say you're wearing your sunglasses and you walk on down to the beach and you're like, oh my god, I have to put my shoes back on, the sand is too hot. You walk into the water, the water is cool. If you get in like a couple places, the water can get pretty warm. The water gets warm because the rays from the sun are causing it to get warm. So, we will go back to the bathroom and see what is going on with our little thing. There's been a lot of changes. Look, the entire thing is soaked. Look, it can even stick to that.
You want that?
No, not yet. Water can do some pretty amazing things. We all need it. Everyone needs it. I was going to get help from my aunt, but she had to leave today. But yeah, that's pretty much all for this video. I'm going to post it on YouTube so my science teacher can see it. Jesus, my hair does not like me today. Okay, that was completely off topic. But yeah, we all need water. Okay, bye.